Hi loves, in today's video we are making a simple yet delicious sandwich. We are going to be using our homemade Hummus recipe to make our sandwich base. I will list all the ingredients in the description box below for easy access as always. Starting with, I'm going to spread some of the hummus on my bread, and instead of using any mayonnaise or anything else, we are using this hummus that is simple, clean and delicious. I have it on the channel already, so please do check it out. I will lay on my other ingredients: my lettuce, my turkey, my onion, my tomato, my avocado, cucumber and my cheese. Please take out the onion if you don't like raw onions. Please do take it out. I cannot do my sandwich without my onion, so I love onion. It's like my twin sister, so why would I take it out? So if you don't like it, please do take it out, okay? So just put this together nicely, easy to make, and it's so delicious. And if you are pregnant and you are worried about eating raw egg in your sandwiches, like using the mayonnaise and all that, this is what you should use. It is so clean, it is delicious, no allergies, and you will love it so much. And you can enjoy this as lunch or as dinner or breakfast, whatever time you would like to eat this. That will be amazing. If you like simple recipes like this, don't forget to like this video and also press the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel for more videos in the future. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.